Hi, this is Anil with a video tutorial for the Learning Lad on C++ programming. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn something about the pass by reference, or in other words, passing a pointer to a function. So in a tutorial about passing some values to the function, we were passing the values of a variables. We're not passing the address. That was called pass by value, and when we pass a pointer to a function, which is called pass by reference. So here, just for the demonstration purpose, we're going to write a function which is going to take the pointer as a parameter. So let's write the function. So it's going to be void display. Our function is not going to return any values, and also this function is going to take a pointer. So here, just for the demonstration purpose, we're going to write this function to take pointer of type integers. So I'm going to write int, and then we need to specify to the C++ that we are using a pointer. That's why we need the star and the name. Let's call it as ptr. And the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to print out the value. So it's going to be cout, and we're going to use value at operator star and ptr, and let's add end line, and that's it. So I'm going to save this, and the next thing we need to do is function prototyping. So I'm going to copy this and paste it above the main function, and the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to create a variable in our main function. So let's call it as age, and I'm going to initialize that variable to a value of 24. Alright, the next thing that we need to do is we need to call our display function. So it's going to be display, and we need to pass the address here. So we can get the address of this variable age using the ampersand or the AND operator. So it's going to be AND age. So I'm going to save this, I'm going to build and run this. Now you guys can see we got 24. So the specialty of this pass by reference is, when we pass the address of that memory location will be passed, not the value is copied. So if we change the value here using this pointer ptr, then the value of this variable age will be changed. So to demonstrate that, what I'm gonna do is first we're gonna print out the value using this ptr, and then we're gonna change the value. So it's gonna be star ptr and equal to, let's say, 100. So now, since we are passing the address of this variable age, when we change the value in a function, when we change the value, that will be reflected, and the value of this age variable will be changed to 100. So just to demonstrate that, after this display function, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a cout, and I'm going to call this age, and let's add end line. Okay, I'm going to save this one, I'm going to build and run this. So now you guys can see, the value was 24, and when we change that using this pointer here in another function, that change will be reflected. So this is it, guys. This is about passing a pointer to a function, or pass by reference in C++. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my Facebook page at facebook.com/learninglad. And if you guys have any doubt, don't hesitate to ask us, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.